We didn't need a reason, just 3 days. 2 helmets, 1 shared idea. Let's go somewhere we've never been and let the road do the talking. No big plan, no expectations, just us, the bike, and whatever lay ahead. We weren't trying to escape life, we were stepping into it. Fully, freely, together. Austria welcomed us with open roads and endless green. Rolling meadows, quiet villages, curves that felt like they were drawn with joy. We didn't rush, we didn't chase anything, we just rode. There's something about moving forward, side by side that says more than words ever could. A bump of the helmet, a glance in the mirror, a shared laugh inside the helmets when the GPS got it wrong. Again. Then came Czechia, golden fields, sleepy cafés, winding roads that begged us to keep going. And we did. We shared meals under open skies, stopped when the view told us to. And somehow, without trying, we found each other again. Not because we were lost, but because the road reminded us how we started. It's funny how little things matter most, like matching the rhythm of a curve, or reaching out to touch a shoulder at a red light. No words, just knowing. 3 days. That's all it took. Not to change everything, but to feel it again. The freedom, the connection, the simple magic of choosing each other over and over with every mile. Because the best roads don't lead anywhere. They lead through moments. Moments like this. And as long as we have 2 helmets and a little time, we'll keep chasing them together.